Yo guys, this is Jimmy, and today I'm back with another banger. So today I got a call from a customer, and she said that she would like a carpet clean. So I came over here to my storage room and I loaded up my carpet cleaner. So now that I loaded up my carpet cleaner, I'm finna go grab a couple of things so I go ahead and get this carpet done and get it cleaned up. So guys, so I'm gonna go up in here, grab a couple of supplies so I can go ahead and get this carpet cleaning job done real quick, and you guys won't believe where I'm grabbing these supplies from. I mean, this ain't the major place that I grab my supplies from, but this is the place that I'm passing by from today, and I know it'll work. So let's go grab a couple supplies. Shouldn't be telling you guys my secrets, but this is kind of a behind the scenes thing, showing you guys what it takes to get the job done. So let's get it. Alrighty, now that I got the supplies that I needed, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot over here to this job, bust out this equipment. Got 2 rooms there is to be cleaned, and go ahead and get them cleaned up. Let me show you guys this process that it takes with these 2 simple dollars that I just went and spent at Dollar Tree.
Pissing on the floor. Shut up! Shut up! You gotta go? Oh, you don't?
Alright guys, this is what the carpets look like before the job, before I get started. This is one of the bedrooms right here. Alright, this is the second bedroom.
Yeah. Oh, that's why you want me to stay here? Look at
Alright guys, so that's what the carpets look like after I'm over. So guys, that's a wrap. Clean 2 rooms. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next job.